औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। A warm welcome to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself, M. Ruxana, Assistant Teacher of Ghalib High School, Bellary. Children, let us play a quiz on the social stratification. First question is, according to which article providing social justice and people welfare is the duty of the state government? First option is Article 35. Second option is Article 36. Third option is Article 37. Fourth option is Article 39. You're right, children. Article 39 is the right answer. Second question, which article says free and compulsory education? Which article says free and compulsory education to all children between 6 and 14 years is fundamental right of the children? First option is Article 24A. Second option is Article 23A. Third option is Article 22A. And fourth option is Article 21A. Yes, good. Article 21A says that free and compulsory education to all children between 6 to 14 years. Which article says all children under 14 years should be provided with free and compulsory education? Option 1, first option is Article 44, second option is Article 45. Third option is Article 46 and fourth option is Article 47. You are right, children. Article 45 says that all children under 14 years should be provided with free and compulsory education. Which article says that right to speak and right to express one's own opinion in the fundamental right? First option is Article 16. Second option is Article 19. Third option is Article 17. Fourth option is Article 18. Second option is the right answer, children. Article 19 is the right answer. Question number 5. Which article provides for the protection of cultural rights of the minorities? Option 1, Article 27. Second option is Article 28. Third option is Article 29. And fourth option is Article 30. Right answer is Article 29. Next question, which article provides for the establishment of minority educational institutions? First option is Article 28, second option is Article 29, third option is Article 30 and fourth option is Article 31. You're right, children. Article 30 is a right answer. Question number 7. Which article says that it is the duty of the government to support the education interest of scheduled caste and tribes? First option is Article 46, second option is Article 47, third option is Article 45 and fourth option is Article 44. Article 46 is the right answer. Next question, the untouchables were expressed to carry the night soil, dead animals and other filthy jobs. Who said this? First option is B. Kappuswamy, second option is Kumaraswamy, third option is Nanjandappa, fourth option is Nagappa. First option is the right answer, children. That is B. Kapusamy says that. Next question. What is the importance of the Article 17 of the Indian Constitution? First option is right to speak. Second option is free and compulsory education. Third option is prohibits caste system. And fourth option is prohibits untouchability. Right, children. Prohibits untouchability is the right answer. Next question. When did the Government of India implemented Untouchability Crime Act? First option is 1952. Second option is 1953. Third option is 1954 and fourth option is 1955. 1955 is the right answer, children. Next question. Who declared that untouchability is the hideous expressions of caste system and leprosy attached to Hindu skin? First option is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Second option is Mahatma Gandhi. Third option is Rajaram Mohan Rai and fourth option is Swami Vivekananda. Second option is the right answer, children. Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. Who argued that education as a public property? First option Mahatma Gandhi ji. Second option is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Third option is Rajaram Mohan Rai and fourth option is Swami Vivekananda. You are right, children. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar says that he argued that education as a public property. Last question. The practice of classifying people as superior, inferior and upper, lower based gender, caste, profession, class and race. First option is untouchability. Second option is unemployment. Third option is social stratification and fourth option is dowry system. You are right, children. Social stratification means the practice of classifying people as superior, inferior and upper, lower based gender, caste, profession, class and race. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira. Have a nice day. Please, children, stay at home and be careful. Thank you.